Welcome to Process Tech Hub, where we combine the bounty of nature with state-of-the-art processing to deliver quality around the globe.
At Process Tech Hub, our workers ensure only the finest pineapples are selected, carefully handled From our sun-drenched fields, the journey from farm to factory begins, ensuring peak freshness for every...
From the field to the factory, Process Tech Hub integrates every step for optimal freshness and quality.
Our state-of-the-art logistics ensure efficiency at every step of the supply chain.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures every pineapple is handled with precision, moving smoothly to the can.
At Process Tech Hub, our pineapples undergo a rigorous multi-stage cleaning.
Here at the cleaning station, high-pressure water and rotating brushes prepare the pineapples for canning.
At Process Tech Hub, our state-of-the-art optical scanners analyze every pineapple.
Here at the cutting station, our precision saws swiftly remove the crown and base, ensuring maximum efficiency for the canning.
Our state-of-the-art rotating drums ensure every pineapple is perfectly cleaned, maintaining the Process Tech Hub standard of...
Here at Process Tech Hub, we ensure only the finest pineapples move seamlessly to the next stage of the process.
Our automated system cores and prepares the pineapple cylinders with precision, minimizing waste and maximizing...
At Process Tech Hub, we ensure every part pineapple is good.
The automated finishing process at Process Tech Hub utilizes precision blades and water jets for a flawless...
Here at Process Tech Hub, we streamline the journey from farm to can with unparalleled precision. The slicing station utilizes advanced blades to create perfect pineapple rings every time, minimizing what...
Freshly cut, our pineapples move seamlessly to the canning stage, ensuring peak freshness. Our state-of-the-art washing station ensures every pineapple is perfectly clean before...
Our state-of-the-art injection system ensures every slice is perfectly infused with our signature blend, locking in.
At the Process Tech Hub, precision engineering meets nature's bounty. Our state-of-the-art machinery perfectly seals.
Here at Process Tech Hub, we ensure only the freshest pineapples make it to our state-of-the-art canning.
Our state-of-the-art facility utilizes advanced conveyor systems, ensuring every can meets the highest standards of efficiency.
Our state-of-the-art laser scanners ensure perfect fill levels and optimal quality for every can of Process Tech Hub. Utilizing advanced robotics, our labeling station applies the signature Process Tech Hub branding with unmatchable.
Here at Process Tech Hub, our state-of-the-art cooling tunnels rapidly stabilize the temperature, ensuring peak freshness.
At Process Tech Hub, we ensure every pineapple is meticulously cleaned before the canning process begins.
Our highly efficient conveyor systems transport the sealed cans seamlessly, demonstrating the precision of Process Tech Hub. At Process Tech Hub, every can is rigorously inspected by our automated systems, ensuring only the highest quality product.
At Process Tech Hub, our state-of-the-art facility ensures every pineapple is perfectly processed.
Seamless automation ensures efficiency. At Process Tech Hub, quality is our priority, from farm Process Tech Hub utilizes state-of-the-art automation to ensure every pineapple is perfectly sealed, maintaining freshness from...
At Process Tech Hub, our automated systems ensure every product is perfectly sealed and ready for distribution. The Process Tech Hub warehouse utilizes advanced AGV technology for maximum efficiency and The final step ensures every can of Process Tech Hub pineapple is securely shipped to markets worldwide.
At Process Tech Hub, our commitment to freshness begins the moment the harvest arrives at our state-of-the-art facility.
Our optimized logistics ensure seamless movement from the factory floor directly into the global supply chain.
Seamless integration from the field to the port, delivering fresh Process Tech Hub pineapple products worldwide.
At Process Tech Hub, our state-of-the-art security ensures seamless logistics from port to...
At Process Tech Hub, efficiency drives everything we do. Our integrated supply chain ensures perfect pineapples...
Delivering freshness across the nation, our state-of-the-art logistics ensure peak quality from farm to facility.
At Process Tech Hub, we ensure a seamless journey from our farms to your table, maintaining quality every step.
Everything is in order. Please proceed through the gate.
At the Process Tech Hub, our state-of-the-art warehouse ensures seamless transition from factory. At Process Tech Hub, precision and speed ensure the highest quality product.
From the farm to this massive distribution hub, Process Tech ensures seamless delivery of our quality pineapples. From our fields to this state-of-the-art distribution hub, Process Tech ensures perfect delivery every time.